Hello everyone, today is my birthday, but that's not the point. I'm here because I have an important announcement to make. First and foremost, my thought goes out to all those who can no longer celebrate their birthday because they lost their life to preventable diseases. So let's get started. Every day, millions of people make life and death decisions based on health information they find online. They search, they scroll, they read, and far too often, what they found is wrong, misleading. Check this out. A parent reads a viral post claiming a vaccine causes autism and chooses not to protect a child who dies later on of measles, a vaccine-preventable disease. A community ignores an outbreak warning because they don't trust health authorities, and this leads to a pandemic and the loss of millions of lives. A government makes a policy decision based on misread study and ends up wasting scarce resources, putting millions of lives at stake. These are just a few among thousands of examples. We are living in an age of information overload and evidence starvation. There's more health data published today than ever before in human history. And yet, those who matter the most, the taxpayers, have never felt more confused, more misled, or more betrayed by the system that's supposed to keep them safe. I've spent 15 years of my life studying how human body functions, how disease begin, how outbreaks spread, how health evidence generates, how health systems succeed and fail. I've seen evidence that could save lives sit untranslated in academic journals. I've watched misinformation move faster than truth. Scientists are doing a great work. I can confirm because I daily am part of it. However, science or innovation that stays inside the laboratory, a research center, or a scientific journal does not save lives. Communication does. Trust does. Implementation does. Therefore, I'm stepping out, following my passion of saving lives, to contribute to bridging that gap. Today, on my birthday, I've decided to give a small gift to the world. And every year, instead of my birthday, I'll be celebrating this lifelong engagement. People of the world, I'm officially launching Dr. Blondy Kayembe, your trusted health evidence translator. My challenging mission is to take the most important health evidence for the world and make it fairly understandable, accessible, and usable for everyone. Whether you a parent trying to protect yourself and your beloved family, a scientist trying to share evidence, a policymaker navigating a health crisis, or a pharma company introducing a new innovation, this space is for you. On a regular basis, I will be decoding outbreaks, dismantling health myths, chasing the evidence even when it's uncomfortable, and engaging in open conversation, thereby reconciling people with science to rebuild trust through different content in different formats on different social channels for different audiences. Why this engagement? Because I believe that global health equity begins with information equity. That a parent in Beirut or Kinshasa deserves the same quality of health understanding as a parent in Geneva or Washington, D.C. That good science, communicated well, implemented effectively, is the only powerful tool we have to improve health. Wonder why you should trust me? My name is Blondy Kayembe, a world citizen and medical doctor, a health researcher, a healthcare strategist, a university teacher, a public health advisor, a global health equity advocate, and what I like the most, a human being, a taxpayer like you. That's why I'm your trusted health evidence translator. So, wanna wish me happy birthday? Just support me in this challenging journey. I will do the hardest work. All you need to do is subscribe to be alerted on upcoming health evidence translation Express your thoughts in comments and engage in real conversation. Share to spread the good science and save more lives. And drop your suggested inbox to support this lifelong commitment. This is not a one-way broadcast, it's a conversation with you to combat fake news in health science. Join this life-saving journey and let's make the world healthier again. Now we can smile because help is on the way, hope is on the way, health is on the way, and that for everyone, every time, everywhere.